Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and stop Roblox from crashing onto your computer. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, one of the easiest ways on how you could go ahead and fix this problem is by restarting your computer. This will go ahead and get rid of some glitches that's happening within your system, or maybe you're having some virus malfunction or whatever that's happening within your system. You can quickly get rid of those problems with a simple restart to your device. So you could just go ahead and click on your Windows logo, click on the power icon right here. You can go ahead and shut down your computer, or you could go ahead and click on restart. But basically, we are here to reboot our computer, so you can choose either one of them. And if your problem still persists, the next thing to go ahead and do is to make sure that you have some resources allocated to Roblox. So for example, I have a bunch of programs that's open to my computer right here. I have my CapCut, I have my browser, I have things like Blitz, Steam, and more. And basically, you don't want to max out all of your resources right here, because when that happens, you won't be able to open up any other applications to your computer. So you could just go ahead and click on any of the applications that you are not using. For example, I have CapCut right here. So just go ahead and click on CapCut and click on End Task. And this will go ahead and close the application definitely. And after allocating some spaces for Roblox and still the problem still occur, the next thing to do now is to go ahead and completely uninstall and reinstall the Roblox application. This may go ahead and happen after updating your Roblox. Maybe you have some corrupted files installed within your application. That's why Roblox keep crashing into your computer. So you could just go ahead and open up the system logo right here, or the Windows logo, search for add or remove program, and inside right here you could just go ahead and look for Roblox, or you could just go ahead and search it from the list. I'm gonna go ahead and type Roblox right here, click on the Roblox player for your user, click on uninstall, and then you will be able to uninstall Roblox completely. Well, after that, you can just go ahead and open up your browser, search roblox.com, and just go ahead and update Roblox from the official website. So guys, in that way you will be able to fix Roblox if Roblox keep crashing into your computer. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.